A common flaw in arguments is that many of them base their conclusion on unrepresentative evidence. This means their evidence is too limited or based on a subgroup with a very different makeup from the group they draw conclusions about. Here's an example. This argument reads, "It has long been asserted that snowboarding is a significantly more dangerous activity than skiing, but a study of Olympic skiers and snowboarders suggests that there is no such disparity in risk. Over the last 2 decades, Olympic snowboarders and Olympic skiers have experienced equal injury rates." What we should ask ourselves about this argument is, what's being compared? We're looking at snowboarding and skiing and trying to figure out which is more dangerous. However, our study that we use as evidence compares only Olympic skiers and Olympic snowboarders. Now, I think it's fair to assume that these kind of skiers and snowboarders are a little bit better than the average skier or snowboarder and are therefore less likely to be injured. As a result, this study does not provide representative evidence for the claim that snowboarding is more dangerous than skiing. We just saw an example of a case where the group studied is not representative of the larger population. Remember, there's another way that samples can be unrepresentative if the evidence is too limited. Take a look at this one. This argument, which is in a similar vein, reads, "It has long been asserted that snowboarding is a significantly more dangerous Olympic sport than skiing. But a 2006 study performed at the Winter Olympics in Torino demonstrates that there is no such disparity in risk. Of the very few injuries recorded at these Olympics, there were an equal number of snowboarders and skiers." This argument is comparing something slightly different. Which Olympic sport is more dangerous, snowboarding or skiing? However, as evidence, they only cite one study performed over one Winter Olympics. Since there have been many Winter Olympics, and presumably the amounts of injuries may not be the same in all of them, this is not enough evidence to reach the conclusion the author claims, and therefore it's unrepresentative of the entire history of snowboarding and skiing at the Olympics.